Good morning, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while since I posted a video. Things just haven't gone the way that I planned, but anyway, today I'm going on a little adventure. I'm going for a picnic at the botanical gardens, so come on with me. So I got some snacks, I've got some grapes freshly washed, some raspberries, crackers, breadsticks, and this roasted pumpkin dip that looked really nice. Anyway, I'll get this packed in my bag and we'll head off. So just waiting for the bus to catch. It'll take me like, I think 45 minutes to get to the city, to our destination. So yeah. This part is too Alright, so I'm just waiting for Haley now, but while I'm doing that, I thought I would take a walk around. It's really nice here. I'm really glad that I decided to get out of the house today and touch grass, literally, and plan something fun with my friends, because I don't know, sometimes I get too stuck in my routine and it feels like life is just the same week to week. Mind you, I did go to Japan a few months ago, and ever since I got back I've kind of just been working and seeing friends here and there, but yeah. Going on little adventures like this, like a picnic at the botanical gardens, and eventually going for my hike that I'm planning to go on. Yeah, it just feels like something I can do to keep myself happy. And look at this gorgeous view, by the way. I really love nature. I work in a warehouse, and so I'm indoors for most of the week, and I feel like every now and again I need to get out and touch grass. As I said, it just feels so healing. I don't know how to explain it, and it probably won't make sense to lots of people, but I just like being able to sit by the trees and hear the birds and lay on the grass. I don't know. guess maybe what we were meant to do, you know, just populate the earth and forage for berries and be nature lovers and care for the environment. Gorgeous. Just look at these beautiful palm trees. But anyway, while I'm waiting for my friend, one thing I've been thinking about lately is how a third of the year is already done. Like, it's May, and I feel that each year just goes by faster and faster. And one of my theories I have for that is because as you age, right, because you have more years behind you, 1 year is like a smaller proportion of your life compared to when you're 5 years old. 1 year is a fifth of your life. But I don't know. So far 2025 has been giving transformation and changes and a bit of adventures. Like, I went from being unemployed because I had finished my degree to finding a job and then going on a big adventure overseas with my partner, and that was amazing. We had the time of our lives in Japan. You already know that we'll be going back again soon. Sorry, not soon, but like, again within the next 3 years, hopefully. But yeah, that's what 2025 has been giving lately, and not really sure what the rest of the year has in store for us. But for now, I'm just focusing on working and building financial security again, and reading my books, making my friends, learning how to edit YouTube videos. Yeah. One thing lately I've realized as well is just remembering the importance of doing things that bring me joy, because I think after I posted my second YouTube video, someone gave me criticism and I let that get me down a bit, and then I didn't post for like 3 weeks or 4 weeks, which is crazy. But anyway, I'm back to remembering that this is my life, and the reason I started this channel was because, you know, I wanted another outlet, I wanted another hobby, something I really enjoy. And so I need to keep joy at the center of my pursuits and truly continue doing things that make me happy, and trusting that people who find me are supposed to find me. That's just all I'll say. Yeah. Anyway, do I look so gorgeous today? Yes, I think I do. I think it's giving, oh, look at my eyeliner. I really slayed that this morning. Anyway, it's giving Blue Goddess. It's giving Blueberry Goddess in the Botanical Gardens. Oh! I think I just got bit in. Anyway, everything's fine. Oh, I love the sound of birds so much. Look at all of this beautiful, beautiful nature. I love it. This makes me so happy. I've just had to stop for a rest because my bag, my little handbag, oh, it's full of snacks and it's actually so heavy. Anyway, I'm gonna walk to the gate and meet Hayley and then just chill, find a good spot to eat and then have yaps all afternoon. And like, I love these trees. Like, look how big they are. Oh wow. Yeah, this is the one thing I forgot to buy last night. Cheese from the supermarket. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, more! Oh wow!
I was so hungry, so I got the one piece of chicken.
Nice. Yeah, this is definitely my lunch.
That's good, that's good.
Yeah.
Let's eat and then take more again.
Yes, agreed. Oh. God, this is just so nice. Wow, so beautiful. Yeah. And like, I love hearing the trees in the wind. Okay, bit of an update in case, well, not in case, but you're probably wondering why I look a bit cooked right now. Basically, we were at the Botanical Gardens having a picnic, and then lo and behold, it starts torrentially pouring down with rain. So we got caught in the rain. My jeans are totally soaked. So yeah. We put a rain check, a literal rain check on our hangout for today, but it was fun. I'm really glad I got out of the house even though it didn't last as long as I wanted it to because, you know, we had a lot to catch up on. We're gonna hang out again soon and I'm still glad I got to do something with my day that was fun. I don't know, being in nature was really calming after a week of being in the warehouse and just working hard, and I don't know, I really liked it. Here's a better view of what my pants look like. I'm about to get undressed now after I unpack all of my food. My bag is wet, everything's wet. Thankfully my camera didn't get wet. Oh, praise the Lord. Anyway, I will see you guys soon.